Hey everyone! Welcome to this quick and easy guide on how to transfer Stellar from Revolut to your Coinbase wallet in 2025. If you're into crypto, you know how important it is to move your assets securely, especially with all the updates in the blockchain world. Whether you're a beginner or just need a refresher, I'll walk you through the steps in a simple, straightforward way. Let's dive right in. First off, before we get started, make sure you have a few things ready. You'll need a Revolut account with some Stellar, also known as XLM, in it, and a Coinbase Wallet app set up on your phone. Also, double-check that both apps are updated to the latest versions to avoid any glitches. Crypto tech moves fast. Step 1. Open your Revolut app and log in securely. Head over to the Crypto tab and find your Stellar holdings. Tap on it to select the option to send or withdraw. Step 2. Once you're in the Send menu, you'll need the recipient's wallet address. Now, switch to your Coinbase Wallet app. Go to your Stellar wallet section and copy the wallet address. Make sure it's specifically for Stellar to prevent any errors. Step 3. Back in Revolut, paste the Coinbase wallet address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of Stellar you want to transfer and take a moment to review any transaction fees or network details. These can vary, so keep an eye on them to avoid surprises. Step 4. Hit the Confirm button and authorize the transaction with your PIN, fingerprint, or whatever security method you have set up. Once you do that, the transfer will be initiated on the blockchain. Step 5. Now, the waiting game. Transactions usually take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Once it's complete, open your Coinbase wallet and verify that your Stellar has arrived. If you run into any issues, like delays or errors, don't panic. Check the transaction status in both apps or reach out to their support teams. Always remember, double-check addresses to keep your funds safe. And there you have it. That's how you transfer Stellar from Revolut to Coinbase Wallet in 2025. It's that straightforward. If this helped you out, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.